All right, let's get an update here on Starbucks. So we left off last video I made was somewhere around in here. Since then, we bounced and went lower. So this can be two things. This can be either A, B, C, or it can be a fourth wave right here that's bouncing. So we actually hit the 1.61 fib exactly. Nailed it, pretty much, depending on where you draw this from. But that's definitely the third wave or the C wave. This would be either a running flat or an expanded flat if it is a fourth wave still. And I would be looking for a minimum of 74 bucks, potentially all the way up to 78 bucks. Wide range there. So I would say though, based on, let's zoom out here a little bit. Based on how short this was, I would say this is probably the end of the fourth wave right here, and we're currently in a fourth wave of this final move down to complete the overall third wave. So I'm personally looking for something up here, 72.34 maybe. Maybe we already topped out somewhere around in this area, and then I'd be looking for one more move down here to potentially 70 bucks, and maybe this other demand zone at 69 bucks. So depending on if it's ABC or if it is a five-wave move, we're looking at 70 or 74 bucks. Not sure which one. I would lean towards the downside though. And I still have my position, even though I'm down on it. I'm only down 300 bucks. I bought in the mid to low $73 range. And so I'm just hedging with puts. I have some $72 517 puts. And I just can't justify getting out of this trade right now, even though it is a falling knife, which I normally don't like to play. Look at the RSI now. The RSI is now basically at the lowest ever for the company. So that means if we have one more move down to 69, 70 bucks, I can handle that. That's fine with me. I'm hedging with puts anyway. And then we should be bouncing. So this is kind of a ridiculous move, and it looks like they're going to take it down to the lowest RSI ever, which is fine with me. I'll just make money on my puts, and then it should bounce after that. We should get a fourth wave bounce to potentially, let's say we go down to 69 bucks. You're still looking at a bounce probably back up to 75, 76 bucks. So that's another reason why I'm not really that worried about it, but we'll see how it goes here over the next day or so. It should be finished. You have the ex-dividend date on the 17th. That should be bullish as well. So another reason to hold. So I think they're just trying to play games and trying to get out all of the people that thought it was going to be an easy trade. It hasn't been an easy trade. I think I've been up I was up for maybe a couple hours, and then it just went down below my cost basis. But I'm not really that worried about it again. So we'll see what happens. There is no moving average support. Maybe on the monthly. So on the monthly, this is probably where it's going to end up going long term. You're probably going to get a 200 SMA touch on the monthly here eventually. But obviously not right now. This is way too overextended. You're going to get a bounce, another move lower, bounce, and another move lower. This will probably be in this box by then. So that's just a quick update on Starbucks. I'll do updates on other stocks here later in the day. Good luck trading. Talk to you soon.